Make up to $1,000 a day online, even without a website or any investment. I will be revealing the step-by-step process, so watch this video until the end. Step 1. Open Google Docs. The first step is to go to docs.google.com and open a brand new, blank Google document. This document will primarily be used to implement the method of earning money through Google search. Step 2. Set up a payment method. Step 2 involves finding a method to collect the earnings generated through this Google search technique. In this example, I used Wise.com as it is available globally and allows you to accept payments from anywhere. However, if Wise.com isn't accessible in your country, PayPal is a good alternative. I prefer Wise due to its better fees, but PayPal and other online payment options are also available for receiving international payments. PayPal is now accessible in most countries, but you should confirm its availability in your location. To collect payments, simply sign up for free on either Wise.com or PayPal.com, and you'll receive a unique ID for each platform. Step 3. Choose an affiliate offer to promote. The third step involves finding an affiliate offer to promote through Google search in order to make money. This means you'll not only earn a commission when someone buys the product, but also earn every month as long as they continue using the software. I prefer promoting software because they are digital products with no inventory, meaning unlimited potential for sales and income. You have to determine how much each product pays, with some offers paying up to $15,000 per sale. For this example, I'll be promoting the SEMrush affiliate program, which pays me $200 for each new subscription. Additionally, I earn $10 when someone creates a free account, and 1 cent for every new sign-up. To get started, simply find an affiliate offer that interests you, click on Join Now, and create an account. Search for the software's name along with Affiliate Program on Google, and the official affiliate link should usually be the first result, unless it's an ad. Once you open the affiliate program page, sign up to promote the software. The process may vary slightly for each program, but there are over 100 affiliate programs in the document. Regardless of the software you choose, you can also earn an extra $5 per free trial by signing up for the Audible Creator Program, which is Amazon's affiliate program for audiobooks. They offer $5 for each free trial sign-up. When someone signs up through your referral link, they get 2 free audiobooks, and you earn $5. If they then purchase a membership, you'll earn an additional $10 plus 50 cents for each audiobook they download. To join the Creator Program, visit Audible's affiliate page and click Become an Affiliate. To find affiliate programs, search for the software name plus affiliate program on Google, then sign up. There are various hosting providers to choose from, each offering different types of services. Shared and private servers are typically more affordable than dedicated hosting, making them a good choice for smaller businesses looking for reliable options compared to larger providers. Some hosting providers include Liquid Web, earn up to $1,500 per sale. Rose Hosting, 50% commission for the first month, with potential for an increase, plus 10% recurring commission and bonuses. Beyond Hosting, 40% recurring commission. JixHost, 20% recurring commission. Nestify, $50 sign-up bonus with an undisclosed recurring commission. Veermok, 15% recurring commission on popular plans, 20% on gaming plans. Kinsta WordPress, hosting, up to $500 initial payout plus 10% recurring commission. Cloudways, up to $125 per sale, or $30 plus 7% monthly commissions. Step 4. Create content for promotion. To create an article for promoting affiliate offers like SEMrush, you can use the ChatGPT prompts I provided. These prompts are as follows. Step 1. Article topic formula. As an expert creative writer, assist me in brainstorming ideas for a blog post. The topic will focus on specific subject industry niche, and I want the content to engage, target audience. Please fill out the table with niche, one in each separate row. Target audience, specify who the content is aimed at. List of engaging topics, list them in individual rows. Paste this text into ChatGPT and let it generate. The next prompt is Step 2, Article Title Formula. Please generate 10 high CTR article titles that are attention-grabbing and describe the main topic or problem we aim to address in selected topic. In this example, I will replace selected topic with Google SEO ranking Then go to ChatGPT and also paste this one. The next prompt is Step 3. Article Introduction Formula. Help me draft an engaging introduction paragraph. In the article entitled, select the title of the article above. The intro should start with a strong hook to capture attention, address potential objections, create an open loop, introduce the problem, and provide a brief preview of the insights the article will share with readers. Tone, friendly style, conversational. Also paste this in ChatGPT. The next prompt is Step 4, Article Outline Formula. Now, as an expert copywriter, please create a detailed outline for the article's content. Structure the article to guide the reader through clear sections, excluding the introduction. Tone, friendly style, conversational. The next thing you want to do is to input this prompt into ChatGPT. Step 5, complete article formula. Disregard previous instructions and generate a full article, 2,000 plus words, based on the outline. Expand each section and craft an engaging piece that holds the reader's attention. Use both long and short sentences, making the content professional and original. Then copy the Step 4 outline ChatGPT has generated and paste it after this prompt. Lastly, use this prompt, Step 6, Affiliate Article Formula. Based on the previously written article title, I want to integrate an affiliate product seamlessly into the content in a way that adds value without being overly promotional. Product to include. Name. Details. These prompts allow you to customize content, generate complete blog posts with titles and outlines, and format them in Google Docs. Be sure to include engaging calls to action and insert your affiliate links for SEMrush or other programs like Audible. Step 5. Download the article, copy the generated article by ChatGPT. It's up to you to add a final touch to the format of the document. Then, download it as a PDF. Once your article is ready, download it as a PDF and share it on platforms such as slideshare.net or medium.com to attract traffic. Additionally, you can create YouTube videos that rank high on Google search results. These strategies generate free traffic without requiring a website or significant initial investment. So in this video, you have learned that this method allows you to make money online with Google search without owning a website or investing money. By using Google Docs and affiliate marketing, you can promote products and earn commissions. First, create a Google Doc, sign up for payment platforms like Wise or PayPal, and find affiliate offers to promote. For example, promoting software like SEMrush can earn you $200 per sale, plus bonuses for free signups. Use Google Search to find affiliate programs and generate articles with tools like ChatGPT. Share your content on platforms like SlideShare, Medium, or YouTube to drive traffic and earn commissions. You can even get paid by YouTube for views on videos promoting affiliate links. So, what affiliate program are you most excited to promote using Google Search? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos, because the next video might be about a must-watch YouTube update. And if you found this method helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. See you in the next video.